Stephen Potts, CEO of the Victorian Boating Industry Association. Stephen, you've just called for a Blue Infrastructure Fund. What does it mean and why do we need it?
Yeah, with the release of the government's new Coastal Management Plan, Action Plan, we believe that now's the time for all levels of government to work together with industry to ensure that we maintain this great asset that we have.
And Stephen, what sort of things would the money be used for?
Yeah, we think three main areas from an environmental management point of view, from looking at infrastructure, so maintenance of the current infrastructure, and looking at new infrastructure for the future, and looking of course with the industries and the employment that's so crucial that are around the bay.
Well, Stephen, that's all very fine, but the major question on everyone's lips is how do you fund this and how do you get it started?
Yeah, absolutely. We understand that budgets are tight. We want to work with the different ways to fund it. So there are ways where we can have investment into that area from commercial aspects. We can have user pay systems for the users who already use these assets. We can also look at, with interest rates at such a low level, investors are looking at different avenues where they can invest their money to get a return. We believe a government-backed industry fund would certainly be a great investment tool for some people.
And Stephen, what about the concept of private people being able to invest in the Blue Infrastructure Fund and get tax deductibility for money for prescribed work? So it may be a very direct and local project.
And I think that there's a great avenue there where we can get local people investing into their local community, which would increase ownership and get strong support in the community.
And Stephen, the starting point of this, what would you like to see happen from now?
Yeah, we'd be very keen to work with the government and get all levels together and look at forming a working group to look at the best way to implement this moving forwards.
Stephen Potts, thank you very much.